Hey guys, it's Alec here from Build Nerd. In today's video, we 3D print Darth Mauls Lightsaber as seen in Star Wars Rebels and Solo. Let's check it out. Star Wars Rebels was the follow-up series and the second animated series done in Star Wars. I really love the series and really love the character of Darth Maul. He was expanded upon in the Clone Wars and then even more so in Star Wars Rebels. And I also really loved his lightsaber, which was taken from an Inquisitor. Now that we talked about the series and the lightsaber itself, let's check out the 3D print in a bit more detail. This lightsaber was printed on my Creality CR10 in some gunmetal silver PLA from Ziltech. The print came out really good. It was printed in 4 parts. One was the main hilt, and then the other 3 were the side prongs. I really like how the lightsaber came out, both the print and the lightsaber itself. It's very different from other lightsabers in that it has some protrusions on it. And the print itself came out really good. I barely needed any supports. I just used a raft on the bottom, and that was really about it. Overall, this lightsaber hilt came out really great, and I'm really happy to add it to my collection. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video and want to see more like it, feel free to like, comment, subscribe down below, and until next time, build your nerddom.